Go, get nice and low, last 5. Good, I'm glad.
It's in the car, she feel it.
Yeah.
This is how I'd have to chase the little kids away.
Morning guys, it's Saturday morning. I just picked up my car and it looks so pretty. I'm really happy with that service. They're Owen Road Automotives in Kelmscott. Amazing service. He even washed my car and pumped up my tires for me because I haven't done that in a while. But yeah, just the friendliest, most professional service. If you guys need any repairs to your car, then definitely check them out. I'll leave the website or Facebook, whatever he has, in the description bar below. Definitely check them out.
3 dead, 1 alive. Not a goddamn thing to nobody except me and the hangman.
Okay, so today we're going to my cousin's house again. My other cousins from Queensland are flying down for her birthday, so you guys will get to meet them today. Same house we were at for Layla's 10th birthday.
Mum, Dad's picking us up tonight. You want to spin? Go! You're right, Jane. Why are you recording? I'm going to save these memories. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Morning guys, it's Sunday. The vlog kind of cut off last night. We did so much yesterday and I actually didn't film any of it. I think we were just having like a really good time. My voice is a bit husky today because I'm getting sick. But where did I leave you? So we obviously went to Amanda's, my cousin's, for my other cousin's birthday, and saw the family in that, and then we drove to Pete's parents' house to see them. So we just had a cup of coffee, had a catch up and a chat, and then after that we went to Peter and I's friend's house, Jason and Alana, and haven't seen them in ages. So we went and saw them and played a bit of pool, had a couple of drinks, and our friend Alana, Jason's girlfriend, is pregnant, so we haven't seen her since she wasn't pregnant, so it was really good to catch up with her, and I got really clucky. I hate being around pregnant people because I get so excited about children. That's probably because I don't have kids though. So it's just really good to see everyone, and we got home a bit late, so I think when you're just really in the moment with something and you know you haven't seen people for a while and you're having a good chat, like the last thing I thought about doing was pulling out my phone and filming everyone. I mean, I feel bad because you guys didn't get to see anything and it kind of just cut off, and yeah, but I promise next time you guys will get to meet them, and because we go there quite often, well, Pete does anyway, and plays a bit of pool and catches up, so yeah. Went to go film Miko under the couch because I made a little fort for him and he's all snuggled in there, and then I was patting him and I was like, why is your body so big? And I realized that Nala was in there too and I couldn't even tell. Rose? can't even see her head. Are you squishing her? Oh, there she is. What the fuck? I was scared that she's suffocating. I didn't go for a walk today because the weather looks like it's about to piss down with rain. I checked it at 9 o'clock this morning and that's what it looked like. And it literally hasn't changed, but it hasn't rained either. That's just fucking bullshit. Get him, Moo. Get him. Is he purring or is that Nala?
That's him.
Take it off. Oh.
Oh, buddy, you nearly got me.
Oh, yeah, he'll play chasey with you. If you stand up and run out the room, he'll chase you.
You reckon?
Yeah, I play chasey with him all the time. You gotta do it slowly, like creep up toward him and then run off. You gotta do it quick, Bob. Get him, Moo! Get him! Chase him back, he'll run.